Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today is a Christmas clean and decorate, my first one for the year and for the season. I'm so happy to be doing this. Christmas is definitely favorite time of the year. Christmas and fall, definitely my fave. Love decorating, just love the feeling of the whole season. Just, you know, everything that it has to deal with, family, you know, love all that gathering togetherness. I love the meaning of it. So my first video today is actually going to be in Mason's room, and this is my first time decorating his room. It's his first room, first big boy room. We actually updated his room I think it was earlier this year, late last year. We redid his room, made it over. I'll link the video here for that if you want to see the before and after. But yeah, so this is his first holiday having his room decorated. We did the girls' room last year, but we're doing his room this year. He's really happy about it. Nothing too big. It's going to basically be his own little Christmas Wonderland theme that I'm doing for him. So first, I'm going to just wipe everything down. I already did a little decluttering of toys and all that stuff, so I don't have to include that in this. But I just wanted to wipe his area down, put stuff back, and vacuum. Make his bed. I already washed the sheets. I actually ordered some sheets, new sheets from Big Lots, which I did share in my last video. I think it was only $8 for the pack of sheets. And these sheets actually can be used year round with his thing that he already has, which is Paw Patrol. I'm going to use the same comforter, but I just wanted to change out the sheets. He needed another set anyway, so we're going to be doing that. And yeah, so I'm going to just show you really quick the items that I have that I'm going to be using to decorate his room, and then we're going to get into the quick clean, and then I'll show you guys how everything looks after. And if you guys are new, my name is Natasha. I'm a full-time working mom of 4, 3 under the age of 18, and I'm a special needs mom. And on my channel, I bring you guys vlogs on mom life, lifestyle, decor, organization, just things on getting things done and how I handle my household and my day-to-day. So if that's something that you guys feel that you'd be interested in, definitely subscribe. I'd love to have you guys here. And also we have like a lot of projects we're going to be doing around here, so if you want to be kept up on those, definitely subscribe, hit that like button, and leave me a comment below. So again, let me show you guys what we're going to be using and how the room looks before, of course. So this is the before of the room. And again, I'm just going to be wiping things down. I'm basically just going to be decorating, putting stuff up here. I have a little sign that I'm going to put right here. I have something that I'm going to probably put over here. I was going to put it there, but it has to plug in, so more than likely it may go right there. And then, of course, his bed. And that's basically it. And I'm going to put a little something over there. So, yeah, that's it. Of course, I said I have his sheet set here. And then I have the items here that I will be decorating with. But being that they're in the box, I think I'm going to just leave them in there because I don't want to make more of a mess. And once I put everything up, I'll show you guys how everything looks. If you have questions, again, or where anything is from, definitely leave a comment below. I'll definitely let you guys know. And let's go ahead and get into this video.
me to hear you now.
Tingle, tingle, tingle with me now.
I got my love to keep me warm. Winter weather, I love the winter weather. 'Cause Christmas time is pulling us closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together.
Christmas time is pulling me closer to you.
Okay, y'all, so I'm basically finished wiping everything down. I'm gonna make his bed really quick, and then we're gonna start getting everything put up, and then I will vacuum. I'm gonna wait because I have a few things that may leave a little bit of stuff on the ground. So once I finish putting those down there, then I'll vacuum everything up, and then I'll give you guys the full over walkthrough of how everything looks.
Come joining us all. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go. Caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile. The feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, oh, oh. I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Santa is coming. I know, I know. Santa is coming.
Okay, y'all, so his bed is made. I can't stand making bunk beds, but his bed is made. Now I'm going to show you guys really quick what I have. I'm trying to hurry because I'm losing sun. Time has changed, so it's going to start getting dark. But I'm trying to get as much as I can in here with the light I have. Even though the sun is going out, I'm going to show you everything tonight, and then I will definitely come back in the morning if it's too dark and show you how it looks in the daytime. But let me show everything real quick. So this sign here is from Target, Walmart. This is from Walmart. He had this from before. I think I got this from, might have been Target or CVS or something. I can't even remember. This is from a couple years ago. Same thing. Those were from Hobby Lobby, Big Lots, Target. That was from Target. My son gave this to me, my oldest, many years ago. I had two of them, one broke. So this has a lot of meaning to me. I'm going to actually probably start collecting these and adding them to my collection and putting them up maybe in Mason's room and things like that. So yeah, definitely sentimental. And this was from, I believe, who are these from? Is this Walmart? I think these are Walmart or either Hobby Lobby. I can't remember. But yeah, we're going to start putting these things up real quick.
It's been a year, riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you, and I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you. You're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Following the stars that lead me straight to you, and though this long December night, only you can pull me through. Nothing wrong with cheers and carols. Oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow. But I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. I wish for. Won't you make my dream come true? Let's not wait another year. Make me wish you were here. I'll be home for you.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. promised Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance.